Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to download and install Jaspersoft Studio. Then go to Chrome, then type Jaspersoft Studio. Then select this Jaspersoft Studio Community Edition 6.20.6. Select. Then able you to download the installer, you need to sign up to the site. And then after you sign up or log in, there's a button here, download. Then let's click this download. Then if you're using Linux, this one. If you're using Mac OS, this one. Then I'm using Windows. So we need to select that this one exe. Then click this download. Then it will download the file. Oh, this is 400 MB, 407 MB. So before we proceed to the installation, while downloading, so we have here Hibernate project, this one, and then this one. So let's select this student management. So select this one. Then we need to see the persistence, the name of persistence of this project. My internet connection is very slow. Then select this main. Then select this resource. Then meta init persistence. Sorry, this one. Then the name of this persistence uh, is IS. So we have SIS. So let's check the installer. So it is done. Then let's right click this one. Then run as administrator. Okay. Then click this button yes to install the um, Jaspersoft Studio. So agree. Then this is the default. Okay. Then install. Then let's wait for a while. So in this tutorial, we were using SMS, student management system, because we are connecting to Hibernate. If we are connecting to GDBC, that is very simple. You can find it in any YouTube tutorial. But in Hibernate, I don't see how to connect. So this is the first time tutorial in YouTube. Okay, so click finish. Then okay, there's a window here, just for Soap Studio. Let's wait. It is loading. Okay, then click this get started. Click this one. So it will proceed to the main window. Then in this video, after we install, let's create connection adapters, data adapters. First is right click these adapters, then click the create data adapters. Then here, this is the basic. Most of the YouTubers um, create tutorial of this one, but we are using Hibernate. We are not using GDBC. So let's select this AGBQL connection. So select this one, then next. Then let's name this adapter SMS because we are using student management system. Then um, here let's put SIS because our name of persistence here is SIS. So, okay, so then click finish. Okay, so we have here connection. So in next video, I will teach you how to create report on this. So see you next video, guys. Bye.